talk about how to use the zerzo simple. So the zerzo simple, you can see this is the icon, and the first thing you need to do is to create a new book. So when you click that new book, you will get this dialog box which will ask you to feed the name of the book and the location of the cover and other things. Now you click OK. After you click OK, then you will get this dialog which will ask you to feed the book data. So you have to feed the book title here, then the UID or ISBN can be generated by clicking this button. So it is now. There are other optional data which you can enter, but that's not mandatory. So you click OK. Now after you have created the new book, you have to save the new book. So once you save the new book, then your book data, everything is ready. Then you start adding pages. So you get this particular thing. The dialog will ask you to do a number of things. What is the new chapter name you enter, then you can change the font family, you can change the headings, paragraphs, math, you can add MathML. Please note, because this is not there in most of the other generators of epub. Of course you can change the underline, strike through, subscript, superscript and all those other things. Then you can change the font style, you can do a number of other things. Okay, now in the body you can add your whatever stuff you want to add in the body, that is the text and all those things. So for example, let us add so you can add this in the body, for example. So you can see it in the visual part of it. The same thing will appear. So you can keep doing this, and then at the end of once you are through, you can also, let's take a look at this table, which is also our special creation. So you can choose the table style like this, like this, like this, or like this and so on. Okay, so number of rows and number of columns you can choose, and once you have chosen all those things, you click OK and then dismiss this. Okay, so it has simply put table 1, then all these TDT, you have to fill up the data, otherwise no table will be created. So those things you can do it, and then once you are through with this, you click OK. Once you click OK, the page is generated. Okay, so you have added the page. Now you can save the page. So once you have saved the page, you can then go back, and you are now ready to, you can add as many pages as you want. Just for illustration, I am showing you what will happen when you click this done. Done means that you have added all the pages. So it is showing you. So now, because this is meant for as a trial edition, you have to buy and zip to create a proper epub. Okay, then this is of course the help. Okay, so the help is also available. So Once you do that, then so now basically you have now had a look at what the entire thing does in a nutshell. Now these are some of the samples which were created with Cover Builder, which is bundled with this particular application. Along with Zerzo Simple, you will get a cover designer or a cover builder. So these are some of the samples which have been created with the Cover Builder. So this is these three are dissertation samples, and these are novel samples. You can also of course create publications and stuff like that. So for more details, take a look at our appwiz.co.in. Thank you very much.